And today we have a solemn update from Namibia that has left the nation in shock. In a tragic turn of events, Namibia mourns the loss of its president, Hage Geingob, who died early on Sunday in a hospital in Windhoek. According to the presidential office statement, it stated that he died at 82 years old. The entire nation is grappling with the loss of a visionary leader who dedicated his life to the betterment of Namibia. The president was not just a political figure, he was a symbol of hope and progress. Throughout his tenure, he spearheaded numerous initiatives to uplift Namibia, focusing on economic development, social welfare, and environmental sustainability. As the news broke, condolences poured in from leaders around the world, expressing their sympathy and recognizing the president's contribution to global diplomacy. Let's take a look at some of these heartfelt reactions. Tanzanian President Samia Suluhu took it to her Twitter account and wrote, I am deeply saddened to learn the passing of the President of Namibia, His Excellency Hage Geingob, a dear brother, a venerable Pan-Africanist, and a great friend of Tanzania. On behalf of the people of the United Republic of Tanzania, I send my condolences to the people of the Republic of Namibia, the acting President, His Excellency Dr. Nangolo Mbumba, Madam First Lady, Her Excellency Monica Kalondo, family, friends, and comrades in Swapo. May you all be comforted during this difficult time. May your soul rest in peace. Amen. Kenya's opposition leader Raila Amolo Odinga took to his Twitter account and wrote, my condolences go out to President Hage Geingob's family and the people of Namibia. Africa has lost a true Pan-Africanist. His legacy is a beacon of the liberation struggle and architect of Namibia's constitution will forever echo in the hearts of his people and across Africa. Kenya's esteemed President William Samoei Ruto wrote to his Twitter account and said, I extend my deepest condolences and sympathy to the family and people of Namibia. Following the death of the President Hage Geingob, President Geingob was a distinguished leader who served the people of Namibia with focus and dedication. He was a believer of a unified Africa and strongly promoted the continent's voice and visibility at the global arena. May God give the people of Namibia strength and courage during this difficult period. Rest in peace. Zimbabwe president took to his Twitter account and wrote, my heartfelt condolences to the family of President Hage Geingob and the people of Namibia. President Geingob's leadership and resilience will be remembered. May his soul rest in peace. Our thoughts are with Namibia during this difficult time.